Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen, and this time it's for the Samsung F04. This is for those of you who have forgotten your pattern, PIN, or any other lock screen password you set on your phone. In some cases you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer so the phone can enter recovery mode, and then you can select the unlock option that I'll show you here. In a moment I'll talk about how to remove the Google account in case you need to. So remove your SIM card and your memory card, because this process will erase everything stored on the device. You can leave it on this screen where it's asking you to enter the pattern, or on the emergency screen, which is where I prefer to leave it. You're going to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up button. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. Our first attempt will be with the cable. You can try it there as well. Press the volume down and power buttons, just like we mentioned. Keep holding them until the device restarts. It's important for you to keep track of the timing. Let's wait. Release the volume down, press the volume up. Pay attention to the screen here. Let's wait a few more seconds. Keep holding. Let's just wait a moment. Now yes, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button at the top until it enters recovery mode. As soon as it enters recovery mode, you can remove the cable. Done. I want to remind you that this procedure also works for some other Samsung models. Now go to the fifth option. Scroll down by pressing the volume down button, confirm with power, scroll down again and confirm once more. Let's wait for this information to be completed so we can continue with the unlocking. Let's wait. Keep waiting. Just a few more seconds. Here we go. Once you reach this screen, confirm, and your device is already being unlocked, it will restart soon. There will be no more password, no PIN, no pattern on the home screen. If you need to unlock the Google account on this device or any other model, we can also do this unlocking remotely. Our number will be there for you to contact us, ask your questions, clear up any doubts, and check the price for your unlocking. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description. It doesn't matter how much you give, what's important is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.